In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to add a vignette in Photoshop. Now, it's kind of strange that they don't really have much for this, but it's real easy to do if you have a picture and you want to add a vignette to it. So I have a picture here of Superman, and what we can do is actually go over here to the layers and go all the way down to the bottom where you actually will create a new adjustment layer. So you can click that and then go ahead and click gradient. So what that's going to do is give you some options here. So what we want to do is go to the gradient and select the black and white option here, and then go down to style, choose radial, and then what we can do is go down here under scale and hit reverse so that the white is in the middle. And then really simply we can just take this scale meter and raise it up, and little by little it will widen the actual gradient fill to what you want. So we can just kind of choose that, and we can hit OK, and then obviously you can't see the picture. So what you want to do is actually go to the modes here, to the blending modes, and go down to multiply, and there you have it. You have your picture, you have your vignette, and you can double click on the adjustment layer and change this if you want, or redo it and have new numbers, anything that you really want to do. So that is how you would go about adding a vignette in Photoshop. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.